check out my skin. This is not AI, I'm real. But this effect is generated through Davinci Resolve's 21 new feature. In fact, they just launched a bunch of crazy features last night, and I want to run them through with you before I actually give you a deep dive. Number one, I think Adobe Lightroom is going to go out of business. For the first time, this no longer is a video editing software. You can edit your photos here right in Davinci Resolve, have all the features like you have in Lightroom, and you can use all the features that we have in the color page to edit your photos. So lots of creative looks, you name it. And to make everything easier, you can sync all the edits. This is a game changer for bridal photo shoots and also time lapses to make sure everything all color graded in sync, and then you can drag it into a timeline and use it straight away. Such a time saver. The other couple of crazy features are the AI. You can now edit your face. You can make your face older like this or younger like this. The effects is actually quite real, and it locks onto your face without any warping. You can now reshape your face pretty much everywhere through AI. Your eyes, your eyebrows, your nose, your mouth, and your face shape, you name it. The tracking works perfectly, and as you move around, you don't lose any track. And the best thing about this, you don't see a lot of warping around your subjects like some other programs. So sells the effect a little bit better than the rest. There's also the ability to now render and edit your timeline at the same time, whereas before you had to render and wait for the render to finish before you make any adjustments. Speaking of render, you can now also see the file size of your selected files. Whether you choose H.264 or H.265, you're getting a different estimate file size. Something they should have had a long time ago. And last but not least, you can now use AI to search through your library through face recognition, but also scenes. You can now type in keywords and it's able to automatically filter through and find those segments. Not only does it display the clips, but you can also choose specific segments. That way it's already pre-cut for you, and all you have to do is drag it onto your timeline and use it just like that. I am doing a deep dive on all the features and tutorials coming very soon, most likely tomorrow, but until then, stay updated.